Something strange is happening to our attention. You open your phone for 5 minutes, and somehow, an hour is gone. But the real problem isn't simply wasting time. It's that your brain is learning to expect constant stimulation and instant rewards. That's what people call brain rot. Your brain isn't literally rotting, but your tolerance for boredom, silence, and deep focus can become weaker. Think about watching a movie without touching your phone, or reading 20 pages without checking a notification. Suddenly, even that can feel difficult, because every swipe teaches your brain something. Next video, next joke, next headline, next reward, and eventually you stop choosing. You just keep consuming. And the most powerful part is uncertainty. You never know when the next amazing video will appear. Maybe it's the next swipe. So, you keep scrolling. Not because every video is great, but because the possibility of something great keeps you there. Now compare that with real life. A book doesn't reward you every 10 seconds. Learning a language doesn't. Exercise doesn't. Real progress is usually boring before it becomes rewarding. And when your brain expects instant stimulation, slow rewards can feel like punishment. You sit down to study, and suddenly your phone feels irresistible. You watch something long, and your hand automatically reaches for another app. You're not necessarily lazy. You've trained your attention to escape discomfort. And here's the good news. Your brain can learn the opposite. You don't need an extreme dopamine detox. You don't need to disappear for 30 days. Start much smaller. Make boredom normal again. Eat without your phone. Walk without headphones. Watch something at normal speed. Wait without scrolling. At first, it may feel uncomfortable. That's okay. You're not failing. You're rebuilding your ability to stay with one thing. Then give your attention something difficult enough to matter. Read, learn, write, exercise, or have a real conversation. The goal isn't to eliminate pleasure. It's to stop needing a new piece of stimulation every few seconds just to feel okay. Because attention is more than productivity. It's the ability to actually experience your own life without constantly asking, what's next? So next time you reach for another swipe, stop, look around, let the silence exist. Maybe your attention doesn't need more stimulation. Maybe it needs to breathe.